This is day 2 of Java 8 interview prep series, and the question is Stream API, which is most frequently asked in the interviews. Let's discuss what is Stream API, why we use, when to use, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of it. So Stream API is a functional way to process over the collections. It is not a data structure. Most of the people think that it is a data structure, but it is not. It works as a pipeline in our code. Let's understand with the help of this image. Stream API is divided into 3 parts. So first one is source. So in source we have collections on which we process our data, and whatever the output we needed, we filter out or we sort out inside intermediate operations. So intermediate operations here are filtering, sorting, aggregating. These are the operations comes under intermediate operations. At last, terminal operation. What is terminal operation here is, it is also known as lazy evaluation. We will understand this in next video. So you can understand terminal operation as collect function, okay, sum function, max function. So these functions can be understood as terminal operations. So terminal operation is if you want to print out the data which you have processed inside the intermediate operation, you need to call terminal operation. If you do not call it, or if you have not written this in your code, so the data will only be processed. It will not print anything onto the console. So why we need Stream APIs? Before Java 8, we have more for loop code to write inside our code. This makes our code heavy. That's why Java 8 introduced, and through that we get the cleaner code, less errors we have because everything is processed inside internally. Let's understand this with the help of short code example. Here we have given a list. We are calling a stream function to start process the data in. So here we are filtering the numbers which are greater than 50. So this is our intermediate operation in this case. At last, if we need to get the output what we have processed, so we need to call the terminal operation, which is in case collect function. So it will collect and get the answer inside our list. So we will get output as 80 and 60 when we use Stream API. So whenever you have given a large data set and you need to filter out the data, or you need to get the sum of it, you need to transform the data, then we use Stream API in our program. So the advantages of using Stream APIs are, we are having cleaner code by using Stream API approach. We have the lazy execution, means if we need to only process the data, so we can write the code and do not get any kind of output till the terminal operation is called. And the disadvantage, it is hard to debug because every processing is going on inside the functions. So it is slight overhead when we need to debug inside our program. If you find the video helpful, like, share and